Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. We are going to discuss and go over the charts when it comes to Bitcoin and everything crypto today. So, are we about to experience the biggest bull run in crypto history? I want you to answer that question down below. Okay. So also what I want to invite you all to do is to subscribe. I've got 5 videos a week. This week it's been like, I don't know, 8 to 10 videos. So we have a lot, but also smash that like button any way that you guys can help us out here on the channel. It will incentivize me to create more content down the road. So the biggest news right now is that Bitcoin hit $60,000. In fact, right now we are like, this just happened kind of recently. We hit earlier today 64,000, dipped down to under 60. Now at 1 a.m., so Wednesday, we hit 64 at one point. Thursday, when you're watching this video, so Thursday, February 29th, Bitcoin is at 63,321 USD right now. And what's more important is that the alts are pumping. So I'm also going to be doing another video. It's probably going to come out at like 5 p.m. or on Friday. I'm going to be giving you my top 5 alts. So I already wrote them down in this book. It's called Secret. Secret Crypto Picks. Getting loose, baby. I don't know what else to tell you. Elon Musk called me 24 times, but he wants the picks. He wants the secret book. But guess who's getting it? My subscribers. So that's another reason to subscribe, right? So if that's not a good enough reason, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm getting loose just sitting here, and I'm excited. It's been years, okay? It's been years of therapy. Moose sitting in his car crying, looking at his portfolio going down. For the love of God, give the Moose a pump. Give me a pump. Let's go, baby. So honestly, though, guys, I know I'm joking around a bit, but Cardano, look at Cardano. 67 cents USD, baby. That's like $1 Canadian. Okay? Our dollar sucks. Our dollar is like watching the Leafs every playoffs. It just doesn't work. Okay? It just doesn't happen. Now, what's important to realize is why this is happening. So, first off, we've been in a long bear market, meaning we've been at a point in time for years, days. I think it was like, I don't know if it was like over 600 days or whatever, that Bitcoin hadn't done very much. It just went to 50 grand, plummeted. We've been in that bear market, that cycle, right? But now we're starting to go up. The memes are starting to go. I even said it. I did a video, 60K Bitcoin. Bitcoin hadn't even touched 60 yet. I knew it was coming because the Moose is loose. The Moose knows. So what's good about this is that Bitcoin's pumped. Okay, it pumped significantly for like a day or two. ETH pumped. Now we're gonna see ADA go through the roof, and then all the other alts. Memes are starting to go. It's gonna get crazy, right? When your grandma starts asking you, "Hey, how do I buy some crypto?" That's when you know we're kind of getting near the top. So let's take a look at the tokens. 63,000, let's call it for Bitcoin, 3,400 for ETH. Tether at $1 hasn't imploded. BNB doing good. Solana is pumping. I've been talking about that, right? Up 20% on the week. Dogecoin pumping. Link hasn't done much, but ADA's pumping. ADA has not moved in a while, and I like this because, as you all know, I need Kopi to go up, right? Like Kopi's got to go up. Kopi's got to go up because it's 50% of my position still, and yeah, we'll leave it at that. So comment down below. What do you think ADA is going to get to when you're watching this video? Maybe we're at a 75 cent ADA. I do not know. It's 1 a.m. Thursday, February 29th. Try not to get too loose here. But yeah, I mean, things are looking good. And, you know, you got the spot ETF. So there's only so many Bitcoin left, and that's what people are starting to see. So there is a supply shock. That's what's happening. Everybody that wants to get Bitcoin, they're not going to be able to get a full token, in 2028, 2032, in above and beyond. So if you have the opportunity, not financial advice, none of this is financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose over the internet. Just do your own research and homework. But I think this is the greatest opportunity. We are about to experience, in my opinion, we are going to see the biggest bull run in crypto history. And I'm talking about alts, like alternative assets other than Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 63 grand. But look at this. This is what I want to get into as well. We're getting loose, baby. We're getting loose. I promise. 10% on a $1.2 trillion asset. 22% on the week. 50% on the month. 170% on the year. Guys, I don't know if I think we're passing all-time highs. So we're nearing it. I think it was 66,000, let's call it. We're nearing the previous top. That's a big deal because, either we're going to get rejected here or we're going to go through, right? We don't know. We do not know. But what I'm getting at is that with Bitcoin pumping so much, you're going to see the rest of the market go nuts. So typically the way it works, and we're only 50 days away from the halving roughly, Bitcoin has massive liquidity, right? It's like a flood. And then when a flood comes, it hits the towns, right? And then it hits the people. And it causes chaos in a good way for us. So we want that. We want that flood. We need our alts to get watered and seasoned and grow. And then we dump. And then we get out, right? So not saying to dump, but, you guys do whatever you want. I don't care what you guys do. It's up to you. So this is what's happening. Money's flowed into Bitcoin. It's flowed into ETH. It's going into the memes. We got Cardano that's going to be pumping soon here as well. Let's look at Kopi. Why not? 65. So Kopi's still... Move, Kopi, move. Kopi ain't doing crap. So this has been kind of depressing. I mean, I'm up 100% this year on Kopi. If not more, actually. No, I'm up a lot more. But not enough. Not enough. The moose is still going to be stressed about bills, paying for things yeah, the moose ain't retiring. He thought he could retire at 30, but he's going to have to retire at 31. So we'll figure it out. So everybody, with that being said, check out the link tree. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Are we going to get loose? Is this going to be the biggest crypto bull run in history? The moose only knows what the moose knows, which is quite a bit. Guys, pick up a Crypto Moose, Loose Moose NFT. We've got links to save you up to 25% off all these hardware wallets. That's the Trezor. That's the Tangem. That's the Ledger. Whatever you guys want, whatever you're interested in. I've done videos on the channel showing you guys which hardware wallets I like and why. So you can check those out. We also have online courses. So we have a free Cardano mini course, and we also have paid courses. And then follow me on social. But don't get in the Discord sending fake promotions and stuff. I'm going to ban you. So that's all we got. See you all in the next one.